Hi, I'm Gurinder Singh from ABS Wavesight, the digital side of the company of what we consider as all of ABS. My role there is a director of technical sales based in Houston, Texas. Well, ABS Wavesight was really launched just last year, about 4 months ago. And we are an arm of the ABS as a whole. Our focus is maritime software as a service provider, and where we are focused on providing both class and compliance related tools that allow our customers to actually continue to stay in compliance. But in addition, some of our more recent products focus on operational efficiency. And that's really been our focus too. We can help with the decarbonization goals of the industry and move it to a more sustainable industry. With ABS Wavesight, one of the things we have focused on, which we find there's a need in the industry for, is someone who's really bringing together an integrated solution and a platform that allows them not to just buy point solutions, but to actually have a way to make decisions holistically about the business. This has really started to become a key focus as we hear from our customers and the industry to really break down the data silos and really start to make efficient decisions using insights, using AI-driven insights, I should say. And that's really where we think the industry is moving forward to when we talk about various measures in place or thoughts being generated related to whether it's just-in-time shipping or actually making decisions with operations and technical teams combined. This is kind of where we think it's headed, and that's the differentiator for us as well. So ABS Wavesight has two flagship products: the My Digital Fleet, which is focused on AI-driven analytics and providing insights, and then Nautical Systems, that's been around a while and is our fleet management software. So those two are the products that we offer in the industry today. The focus, as I mentioned, it really moving to a decarbonization mindset, which is our mission in the company, is to make sure that the products we bring forth are providing a way to bridge the gap between a compliance mindset and moving to a performance mindset. Yeah, so if you will, today we're seeing a lot of change in technology and how that's impacting the maritime industry. We hear about Starlink, for example. We hear about other solutions that are helping connectivity get much better in the maritime space, which has been problematic, of course, for a number of years. We're also seeing that there is a need for disparate system data sources to come together for efficient decision making. We're seeing that there's a need to really try to understand how some of these decarbonization and sustainability issues can be solved, not just from a technical and a fuel standpoint, but also from an operational standpoint. And all of these areas combined are really providing that need and focus to say, is there something out there that the technology can help the maritime industry with? And I think with better user experiences coming out of these softwares today compared to even 5 years ago, that's really helping people understand and make some decisions around their next focuses in the transformation that they're going through. Yeah, as I was mentioning earlier, I think the key focus that we see is where the industry is starting to move from a compliance to a performance mindset. And that performance mindset necessitates that data transparency, data integrations become key into getting insights that are holistic in nature, that are cutting across data silos. So that sort of change and that expectation is going to continue. And those third-party integrations where you're collecting other data sources that today might not be so available or might not be so integrated, which unfortunately give you suboptimal results. So that's where we see that optimization of decision-making is really moving the industry into that sort of an arena. Yes, at ABS Wavesight, we and the larger ABS continue are looking at the next level of data analytics and services that we can look at both internally and for the use of our customers. So this is really a critical thing for us as whole as an industry, and that understanding and that need is definitely felt and being acted upon within ABS. In the view of ABS Wavesight, I'll tell you, partnerships are immensely critical, because when we talk about how are we going to put together the kind of information and insights that a operator needs to make decisions on, there's not a single entity that can provide all of that. So some of the work we're doing today is actually helping current owners and operators combine those data sets so they can make more optimized decisions. And we've seen this previously as well, and continue to see where each department within a shipping organization is very optimized. But unfortunately, the optimal response is when the ship operation is completely optimized and not just each one of those entities.